need a purpose, especially as men, especially for young men. It's one of the most important things that you can give, or you can offer, or advice you can offer to young men, is to find your purpose. Right? Because once you find your purpose in life, it's like having your North Star, right? It's the thing that you set your compass to. It's the thing that you're constantly redirecting to when you get off track. When you get off your path, you're constantly resetting your compass to your purpose. And everything else in your life needs to go along with this. Whether that's a job, whether that's, like I said, a relationship again, a woman, a man, whatever, right? If they're not aligning with your purpose, they may not be right for you. And it is what it is, right? Find your purpose. Make it your North Star, the thing you set your compass to in life. That will guide you in the right direction when it's hard, when you're struggling, when things ain't going your way. This is your North Star. It's your fucking purpose.